Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an assignment to your course page on Schoology. The first thing you will want to do is go to the course where you want to add the assignment. I am going to select my second period course for this demo. Once you are in your course page, you will want to hover over the Add Materials button. Click that button. When you click the button, you will see a variety of options. You want to select Add Assignment to set up an assignment on your course page. Once it loads, you'll see a window pop up prompting you to create your assignment. This is one of the perks of Schoology. It allows you to give instructions to your students, but also give them the online material necessary to complete the assignment. In the past, I'm sure you've had to email or write down a long list of links, and that can be very difficult. This makes it very easy to assign things online. Instead of starting a brand new assignment, I'm going to show you an assignment I already set up. I am going to hover over to the gear button and select Edit. You may do this anytime you feel the need to edit an assignment. Now you can see how to set up an assignment. In this particular assignment, I assigned a digital comic book they needed to read. Then they had to access a Google Drive doc and answer questions about the reading. The various tools in this toolbar will allow you to add anything you feel your students may need in order to do the assignment. External links, links to YouTube videos, anything they'll need to complete the assignment will be linked directly to them via the Assignments option. I want to quickly hover away from this window to show you how it looks to your students. As you can see, each external link can pop up in a new window and your students can work independently on the assignments with easy access to the web materials. Now let's go back to the Create Assignment window so you can see the other features. Below the assignment description, you'll see a due date option. Add the day and time you want your assignment due. You can also give it a point total. This is important, especially if you're using the Schoology gradebook, which will be covered in a different video. Category is another important thing that needs to be set up if you plan on using the Schoology gradebook. These can be set up prior to using Schoology when you set up your gradebook, or you can add categories through the assignment window. Simply click on the drop-down bar and select a category or set up a new one. Next, decide if you want to grade it numerically or give the assignment a letter grade. Click on the Scale Rubric drop-down bar and decide which option you want. Next are the advanced features. I won't go through all of them, but I will go through the ones that I feel are most important to know when you first get started with Schoology. A good rule of thumb when dealing with these advanced icons is that if it's black and white, that option is inactive. If it's in color, that option is active. The first advanced icon you may want to use is the lock button. This will lock the assignment and not allow students to post or submit assignments. The next icon is the submissions icon. It's a box. When it's in color, it means the students can turn in assignments directly to Schoology. When it's not in color, students will not be able to submit assignments on Schoology. This feature will be helpful when we learn about grading on Schoology. The next icon is the hidden icon. This allows you to hide assignments from your course page. It's good to hide assignments once they're done working on it, so your students don't have a long list of assignments on their course page. Finally, the last icon is the comments icon. I usually turn off the comments in case my students try to have discussions on the assignment or make unnecessary comments. The only time I enable comments is when my students are linking an external project to me. Say, for example, if your students used Adobe Voice or Slate, instead of getting emails or messages with the links, you can have them paste the link to the comment section and everyone can see their work. Once you've set up all your options for your assignment, click the Create button and you're good to go. That's the basics of adding an assignment on Schoology. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.